This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering the required tools: one CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver, and optionally a jeweler's pick or plastic pry tool. Inspect the remote to identify the seam and any retaining screws. Some models hide a tiny Phillips screw under the key blade. Replacement takes about 5 to 10 minutes for most Mini Cooper remote models if you follow steps carefully. Always work on a clean, flat surface to avoid losing tiny screws or springs, and keep the remote buttons facing up to prevent components from popping free unintentionally during disassembly. Flip the key blade out and remove any visible screw, placing screws in a small container so they don't roll away. If there is no screw, insert the flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the case seam and twist gently to separate the two halves. Pry from the edge near the buttons to minimize stress. Pry the battery tray out gently with a jeweler's pick and lift the old CR2032 cell free. Note battery orientation. Usually the positive side faces up toward the buttons, and record that position before inserting the new cell. Place the new CR2032 into the tray with the positive side oriented exactly as noted. Incorrect polarity prevents operation. Reseat the tray into the case, align the two halves, and press firmly along the seam until you hear a firm click indicating the shell is seated. Reinstall any removed screw and fold the key blade back into place. Test all functions at least twice from a short distance, including lock, unlock, and trunk. Reprogram the remote only if the device fails to communicate after correct battery installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.